Hello friend, welcome to the Travel World YouTube channel. This video discuss about why 10 beautiful castles in Europe you can actually spend the night in. So let's start my video. 10 beautiful castles in Europe you can actually spend the night in. Summary: immersive experience. Stay in European castle turn hotels for a regal journey through time, surrounded by centuries-old architecture and luxurious amenities. Opulent accommodation include in unique and stylish room, adorned with flush lines, antique furniture, fireplace, and panoramic views. Fine dining architecture stand adieu. People immerse themselves in the grandeur of European history by spending a night in incredible European castle fit for royalty. This ancient fortress turned hotels offer a chance to live the regal dream, surrounded by centuries-old architecture, luxurious amenities, and a touch of modern comfort from the picturesque landscape. The Ireland is charming with whisper of a bygone era. Ashford Castle, Kong, Ireland. Ashford Castle, at 13th century marble front 5-star hotel in century country Galway, offer a fantastic castle stay in Ireland. From a moment guests arrive, there are greeted with seasonal welcome drink and prepared with candlelit turn down service. The 83 unique accommodation ranging from rooms with king size bed to multi-level suites are adored. Charming children at the cottage. Accommodation: Ashford Castle. Address: Ashford Castle, Kong. Amenities: restaurant, free Wi-Fi, business center, spa. Amberley Castle, Amberley Island, England. Nestled in the village of Amberley and one of the most outstanding castle in Great Britain. Amberley Castle is a captivating hotel boasting in rich 99 hours 100 years history. European castle hotel seamlessly blend its original features with modern comfort, offering a private retreat with only 13 rooms abroad with tanks and fine fabric. Expensive ground features manicured garden and even a residence peacock, adding to the enchanting atmosphere. Accommodation: Amberley Castle. Address: Amberley, Ardell, BN 189 ND. Amenities: restaurant, free Wi-Fi, free parking, free toiletries. Pell Hall, Landerfell, Wales. Pell Hall, once graced by Queen Victoria during her royal tour in 1889, offers 18 stylish, comfortable bedroom and 4 garden suites. The room features unique elements including fireplace and a bay window with garden views, creating a truly regal ambience. Dining at Pell Falls is a delightful experience with options ranging from the Huntsman, a relaxed bistro, fishing on the River Dee. Accommodation: Pell Hall. Address: Pell Hall Estate, Pella, IL 237 PS. Amenities: restaurant, bar, free lounge, free Wi-Fi, free parking. Birch Hotel of Sofenberg, Oberbressel, Germany. Perched on a hill overlooking the Rhine and the picturesque village of Oberswell, Birch Hotel Ugg Swinger is the fertile that comes to life. The European castle tracing its roof at the least view of the Rhine Valley. People opt for a room with a balcony of terrace. Accommodation: Birch Hotel of Scomberg. Accommodation of Scomberg 55,430 Oberswell, Rhineland Palatinate. Amenities: free restaurant, free Wi-Fi, business center, free parking. RLS Chateau de Versailles Le Grand control. Versailles, France. Stepping into history, airline Chateau or David's Le Grand Control is the first hotel set within the ground of the Place of Versailles, offering the unreal experience. Guests can live like royalty, complete personal built horseback or ride or toys of famous garden treatment. Recommendation: Airless Chateau de Versailles Le Grand Control. Address: 2 Rue de Independence, American 78,000 Versailles, France. Amenities: restaurant, swimming pool, spa, air condition. Castello de Casole di Elsa, Italy. Situated in the heart of Tuscany, Castello di Casole offers palatial accommodation amidst the rolling Tuscan countryside. The hotel occurs by Balmain boosts a blend of 10th century choice to a memorable stay. Accommodation: Castello de Casole, a Balmain hotel. Address: Luligra, Curto, 53,031, Casole, Elsa, Tuscany. Amenities: outdoor pool, spa and wellness center, restaurant, bar, lounge. Glenap Castle, Ballantrae, Scotland. Glenap Castle, a remarkable five-star hotel in the Scottish Highland, is a blend of traditional decor and an array of exciting activities. Built in 1870, the European castle boasts stunning, exploring the 110 acres estate of falconry and archery. Accommodation: Belknap Castle. Address: Arish Girvan, K828 ONZ. Amenities: spa and wellness center, restaurant, free Wi-Fi, free parking. Parador de Santiago de Compostela, Santiago de Compostela, Spain. Parador do Santiago do Compostela is a statement to ensure hospitality as the oldest hotel in Spain. It seamlessly marries history with comfort. The intricate facade and large courtyard provide a sense of grandeur, while the rooms exude old-world charm with their towering arches, excelling antique perishing elegance cousin at the Stone World Restaurant. Accommodation: Parador de Santiago de Compostela. Address: Plaza do Operadero, 15,705, Santiago de Compostela, Galicia. Amenities: restaurant, bar, free lounge, free Wi-Fi, tea, coffee. Hotel Grand Odisea, Solivina. For a five-tale experience in the Solivina Hotel Grand Odisea, a 13th century castle on an island, the KRK River provides enchanting setting. The wood interior, river views, and earth romantic dining experience with ingredients sourced from the castle garden. Accommodation: Hotel Odysseus. Address: Grasca, Orchestra, 2 Octaves, 8,222. Amenities: indoor pool, restaurant, bar, lounge, fitness center. Pousada Costello, Extremoz, Portugal. Pousada Costello Extremoz, located in the Valladolid city, is the Extremoz, Portugal, is a luxury hotel within the 13th century castle. The room, adorned with the four-court bed and 18th century history and charm. Accommodation: Pousada Costello Extremoz. Address: Large J.D. Tennis, 7,100, 509, Extremoza, Evora. Amenities: outdoor pool, fitness center, restaurant, bar, lounge. We hope you like the item we recommended and discussed. The Travel has affiliate and sponsor partnership, so we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us to offer the best product recommendation. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।